Hello monkeys! In today's video, I will be showing you how to do what I'm doing right now. Get in the floor. So what you want to do is, you know the pot of gold, this thing is, you know where the pot of gold is? You want to go under the sign, and then you want to hit your Oculus button, put your hands under for 5 seconds. And then your hands should be glitched under here. Again. Let me get back here. And then you should be under. As you guys, and then you have under this. And that's the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe and bye.